I know you must be wondering, how do you delete a Facebook account if you have multiple accounts on the platform? This particular video will guide you on how you can easily do that in 1 minute. First of all, guys, open up your Facebook. Once you're on your Facebook interface, just like so, the next thing you need to do, guys, is to click on this account section at the top right hand corner, just like so. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to look out for is the settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, it automatically brings you up to this interface. Then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, it automatically launches you to this interface that looks exactly like so. Here we have the Meta Account Center. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is to click on Meta Account Center. Once you click on Meta Account Center, it automatically brings you up to this interface that looks exactly like what you can see on my screen now. The next thing we need to do, guys, is to scroll down a bit, and you can see these sections that says personal details. You click on your personal details just like so. Once you click on personal details, this interface automatically comes up. As you can see, we have 4 sections, so we hover straight to the last section that says account ownership and control. So once you click on it, this interface automatically comes up. Then we have this deactivation or deletion. You click on deactivation or deletion. Once you do that, this interface automatically comes up. You select the account just like so. Then, as you can see, this is deactivate account and this is delete account. Once you click on delete account, remember this is an irreversible process. Once you delete your account is gone and gone forever. Once you are okay with that, you can go ahead and click on continue, and you'll be able to delete your account from the Facebook platform. As easy as that, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for interesting videos just like so.